Hi guys, welcome to Physinews Media Official Video. If you are seeing our video for the first time, please hit the subscription button. Hit the subscription button. It's safe. It's absolutely free. Yeah, we don't charge for. We don't try to subscribe to a channel. Yeah, it's been a long time here though. Be facing some issues and other things. That is the main reason why I couldn't make video here, and I'm still working on the other channel where you can stream a novel story on AI videos, which is you can subscribe to our other channel. On today's video, I'm showing you how you can get your S wallet. So S wallet on the Swapfone. On Swapfone, as you can see on KYC here, you can see they say how it works. You see email verification, full name, testnet record, S-20 wallet address, KYC NFT unlock. So I received a lot of DM on the how you can get S-20 wallet address, how you can get it, and how do you find where you can get it. So this video answer everything about X20 wallet. Please watch this video to the last ending, please. And you say you're watching video, you are trying to fast forward. Please don't fast forward this video, please. Make sure you watch exact record, please. So you can see verification here. Let me just do my let me see if I will be able to do my verification here. So let me input my email address. Email address is PHYSI testnet video. Let me put my name. Then let me find my X20 wallet. If you want to find your X20 wallet, you are down here to this wallet here. You see here. So you click on it. So then you click on the receive the X20 wallet. You can see receive here. So I click here. I click on the receive here. So you can see my own X. This is my X20. You can see the X20 here. X20 wallet. You can see it here. X20 wallet. So this it is. Everybody has this on their Swapfone wallet. So once you click on the receive, you'll be able to get the X20 address. Then you click on the copy button to copy. So let me head down to the KYC. Let me see if I'll be able to, because I'm having like, it's not 47 days streak home NFT. Yeah, 47 days streak. So they've unlocked some NFT for me. They unlocked this Genesis miner royalty streak, minutes of 0 fee NFT, double staking NFT. So I'm headed down to 60 days for Swapfone KYC NFT. So it says it enable users to gain access to Swapfone KYC Launchpad NFT. So I don't know anything about the Launchpad NFT. I don't know anything about it, but I'm just making this tutorial on how you can get X20 address. So now let me head down to the KYC here. Then let me put my details if I be able to get it here. PHYS, okay. Full name, and put my full name here. Then the address. So the address I copied for my wallets. For my wallet, you see wallet is the X20 wallet address. So There's error, you do not have Swapfone KYC. Please visit the Swapfone NFT page and claim the Swapfone NFT to unlock the verification. Good. So I know I haven't got to that place. I showed it earlier. So I haven't get to that. So I have to get to this place. Before I'll be able to get KYC fully. So and it takes 60 days. So I'm having that is 13 days left. I'm having 13 days left. So this is simple video on how you can get your S-20 wallet on Swapfone. I repeat, if you want to get your S-20 wallet, let me repeat myself. If you want to get your S-20 wallet, so you click on wallet here, then you click on receive. So you can find your S-20 wallet there. You can see it, see it here. Your S-20 wallet, you can see. And if you have any further question about Swapfone and other mining app, please feel free to drop your question, drop comments. I will be able to attend to it, or you can chat me up on the WhatsApp number you see on the screen on this video. Thank you. See you on my next video. And concerning people that message me about quantum wallets, I haven't forget their case. I've been busy although, so I haven't forget their case. I'm coming to it, but I can't give the exact date. We'll be coming to that to report them to FBI based on how they steal our money and we'll make reports. Please, if you find this video helpful, please feel free to subscribe and feel free to share to friends and family to help them know how they can find their S-20 wallet on Swapfone. I think I'll be putting this video to an end. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for streaming. Please don't forget to show love. Don't forget to show love by subscribing. Your subscription means a lot. Your subscription and your shares means a lot on every YouTube videos. Thank you. Catch you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.